Now, one apple a day keeps the doctor away. But what about other fruit? What about pears, for example? My name is Dimitri from Health Communication Mastery, and these are my 3 tips for using props in presentations. Number 1, make sure that your prop enhances your message. So for example, in that example earlier, I brought the prop up and I used a common phrase and used the prop to enhance my message. And I was going to talk about the nutritional value of different types of fruit. So it's really important that you use the prop in a way to enhance your message. Number 2, when I brought the apple up, I paid attention to it. Now, props have an undeniable presence and they love attention. A lot of magicians do that. They bring something up and they use a magic wand, but actually the magic trick is somewhere behind them. So they're using tricks to divert the audience's attention. So use the same trick, bring your prop, look at it, maybe even point at it. But then, and here's my tip number 3, do not compete with it. What does that mean? That means that as soon as you're done using it, you put it away. If you don't put it away, you may end up competing with the prop and in terms of the audience's attention, and chances are you might lose. So make sure you put away your prop and then continue talking about your next point. If you need any more information about communication skills for you and your practice, make sure you check out Health Communication Mastery Module 1, and see you next time.